You wouldn't believe how many times I had to actually buy a dash camera to find a good one. So if you're looking for an affordable dash camera that actually works, in the last video I showed you one that really didn't work. I returned it within an hour of opening the box. It was from Temu. So I jumped onto Amazon and found something different. I spent twice as much on Amazon. And this thing says it has 4K specs. I mean, look at the ad here. 4K video for the main camera, 1080p for the side, 720p, whatever. I mean, it all looks and sounds great. And the reviews all say, look, clear footage, right? Great camera. It's not, guys, I don't even have the product with me here because I returned it so fast. I went out, I shot 15 seconds of video, and I knew immediately this camera was absolute garbage. So I'm going to show you this one. Here's a little bit of a sample footage from it. It's not much. I kind of aimed my camera at my neighbor's car, which was only a few feet from my car. And you can't make out the license plate, guys. You just can't make it out. You can make out the plate in front of me. That's my own plate, but it's not very clear. The footage is jittery. It's not 30 frames per second. And they flat out lied about the specs, guys. They said 4K footage, and I had it set to 4K, and it was giving me 1080p. And even that 1080p footage was garbage. So then I did it. I did a test, and I bumped it down to 1080p to see what would happen, and 720p footage came out of it. Every time I put it to a setting, it was always lower than that setting. I mean, so the ad lies to you, the specs lie to you, the whole thing is just a big scam. I mean, this is a garbage camera. So guys, like I said, I don't even have it here to show you. Fortunately, I took a quick little video of it before I sent it back. But I had that thing in a box and back at the post office within an hour. It's absolute garbage. But the good news is you don't have to spend a lot to find a decent camera. So I'm going to show you in the next video which camera I ended up getting. So we're going to see you over there.